Let's talk about Charles. If you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner that is commercial grade and you're looking to pick up a lot of like fine dust, in this case like denture dust, that is very, very fine, this is a great option. So let's talk about it. The first thing to mention, of course, is the fact that you can pick up dry and wet with this. It's a great thing to have. You simply gotta make sure you change the filters in it. But in a commercial setting where there could be spills, it is nice to have both capabilities. It comes with a good solid cord, which is always nice. And it comes with 4 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, to put your onboarding tools, which is convenient. You pop it open like this, and then you lift this filter up, and you see this bag right here. This is a HEPA bag filter, so this is for fine dust. It's pretty spacious, so that is nice because it means you're doing less trips to emptying the machine out. So it has 15-liter dry capacity and 9-liter wet capacity. Again, you can pick up dry and wet, which is great. So one of these lovely rigs, if properly maintained, can last up to 10 years if properly maintained, because they are built to last and they're built for commercial grade use. So if the cleaning is more heavy duty, or if there is a lot of fine dust, or you need to clean up spills, I would go with Charles over Henry.